MTDCNC are in Kenilworth today. We're at Whitehouse Machine Tools. We've come to look at one of the latest additions to their portfolio. This is the Wele range of machine tools. With over 60 products under the umbrella and a company that was founded 10 years ago, it's a business that prides itself on making machine tools that are robust, they're rigid, and not just your run-of-the-mill machines. We're talking bridge mills, 5-axis machines. So let's get inside and talk to Ian Hayes about one of the latest products that's been brought in here for stock, a 5-axis machine. Ian, the Wele product. Now, you've been the agents here at Whitehouse Machine Tools for a few months, in fact, since the summer. You've done quite well with it so far, I believe.
Yeah, we've done extremely well. We've ordered 5 machines, we've sold 4. We've just got this Wele UQ400 in as a 5-axis option, what we can offer to the market.
We'll talk about this one in a minute. The 4 that you've already sold, what style of machine are they? Because I know there's about 60 models in the range.
Yeah, there are 3-axis linear guideways and boxways guideways machines. We've sold a linear guideway with a 1.2 metre bed, and we've sold 3 box rails machines with a 1.2 bed on them as well.
Okay, so a lot of success so far. Is this going to be the same? Where are you going to aim this machine, Ian?
We're going to aim this one at, hopefully with people who want to break into 5-axis machining at an entry level. With it being with a FANUC controller, it's a quite simple controller to use within the market, where people may get a little bit scared maybe using a Siemens or a Harley controller.
You say entry level though. I seem to recall coming here a matter of months ago before one of the machines you talk about was delivered and seeing it cut in action. It was a very, very robust workhorse of a machine, far from entry level.
Yeah, well, entry level probably not the correct word for it, but yeah, they are a very robust machine. You can take extremely heavy cuts. They really are renowned for their rigidity in the machines, strong heavy cutting, and you know they're a really, really good product of what they're producing.
What about the pricing though on this machine? I mean, it's right for me to say this is quite a crowded market. You've got a lot of competition. How does it fare in that area?
Yeah, it is a crowded market with these machines, but with the price of this machine, we're looking at selling this machine around the £140,000 mark. So it is very competitive on the price.
What would that come equipped with? And tell us about the specification of this particular model.
The machine will come equipped with a big plus spindle, so we've got face and taper contact. It's got high pressure coolant with a separate ultra clean tank with 22 bar pressure. It comes with the swarf chip conveyor, as we can see.
How many tools have we got?
We've got a 40 tool carousel on there, so it would be 40 plus the one in the spindle, so we're 41 in total. We've got the extended memory in the controller, so we can put large programs in there.
What about is this a 5-axis simultaneous machine, or is it just 4+1 or 3+2?
This is a 4+1 machine, so it's a 4+1 simultaneous machine, which works with the G68.2 command.
The machine I did see that I alluded to earlier was a full box guideway machine that was doing the cutting demonstration a few months ago. What does this machine run on?
This machine runs on a linear guideway, this machine does.
Okay, and where are all the parts? Where's the machine made, and where are all the parts for the machines made?
The machine's actually manufactured in Taiwan with Japanese components. So it's a really, really good, robust machine. It's fully 100% made in Taiwan with Japanese components in there, so it's high quality components in there as well.
The model itself, I believe, has been around in the market for about 4 years, so fair to say proven and tested?
Oh, without a doubt, it's proven and tested. As we've seen on the previous machines, what really do, they are so robust in these products. They are very, very strong, and you know we would recommend, if you're doing some heavy cutting and milling on there, I'd recommend one of these machines all day long. Because
this machine, for you as Whitehouse, you've got those various other brands, but this one is the only 5-axis you offer with a FANUC control. Is that one of the big differences?
Yeah, that's one of the differences that we're hoping we can break into the market with that, with a FANUC controller, where people can actually use, who have been using FANUC, they haven't got to learn another machine language. So hopefully with the FANUC controller, people, they'll look at this and hopefully we can sell quite a few into the market.
And it's also a different style of 5-axis, isn't it, to some of the others that you offer with the configuration, the table configuration, for those maybe smaller components?
Yeah, it's got a 300mm table on there, so it's a smaller component, so it's a quite fast machine. The rapids on there, I believe the 60 metres in the X, 50 metres in the Y, and 20 metres in the Z, I believe. But it is a very, very quick machine. So it's a nice small component, nice and quick, moving around.
You have this machine here in stock, don't you? Which again, we're often hearing from engineers, I need a machine, I need it tomorrow. That can only help you, can't you?
Oh, without a doubt. Yeah, obviously, we try and keep machines in stock all the time as we can. So if customers are desperate for a machine, to get over there as soon as possible for them. And that's the way Whitehouse are trying to break into the market with this product. So we've always got one in stock, so we can always offer it out straight into the market.
And it's good to hear the price as well. So there we have it, a powerful, rigid 5-axis machine solution here from Whitehouse Machine Tools. This is the Wele UQ400, and this is available from stock. And as Ian said, £140,000. Comment below or contact Whitehouse Machine Tools to find out more about the detail of what's included in that price. Thank you very much, Ian.
Thank you very much.